Judith Smith here with Dr. Sandrea Jones doing a video update on March 3rd, Sunday. And what's happened since our last video is the drywall, we had a delay on the drywall because it wasn't cured, it wasn't hard enough to sand. So this week we got all the trim in, all the drywall is completely sanded and paint ready. And we are now on to paint, and it's been primed and finished coat, and we are going to be finished with the paint job tomorrow. Dr. Jones wanted wainscoting, so she chose a beadboard, and we just want to go around here and show the joints and how absolutely tight all the joints are and how even the beadboard is. And we want to show how nicely it was finished over here. Okay, at the stairs. And this is the cabinetry door. We had been putting in Home Depot stock cabinets in $1 million homes, and people were very happy with them. They were fine with it. People that wanted to upgrade from the stock cabinets got American Woodmark. They were happy with it. And then I was renovating that foreclosed house in Roswell that I had spoken about in previous videos. And I got my American Woodmark cabinets from Home Depot, and I paid $15,000 for them. And Home Depot wanted $15,000 for the install. I wasn't going to pay $15,000 for the install. So our installer, Lewis, who is very, very good, makes the cabinets all level and even, did the install for me for $32.50. And when he got there, he said, these cabinets are particle board. And he said, I have a cabinetry source in Gwinnett that does solid wood cabinets much less expensive than this. And so we went with the cabinetry source in Gwinnett. And this is a sample door of what Dr. Jones is getting for her accent wall over there. And Dr. Jones, what's your opinion of the quality of the sample door?
One is real wood, and it's thick, and I love the decorative pieces that you see on the wood. So I think it's going to add that extra flair and the look that I'm going for.
It's high quality. It's definitely high quality cabinetry, much higher quality than what I got. And Sherwin-Williams has a color eye, so we have the trim butting up to the cabinetry. So we wanted to match exactly the color of the cabinetry to the trim. And as you can see, Sherwin-Williams did an amazing job, and we've got the exact white on the trim as we have on the cabinetry door. So everything is tight, everything is on schedule. We'll be done with the paint tomorrow. We've been on this job since Thursday, January 25th, and we look to have the paint done. We're out here today with the, do you want to just show the stairs and the stair tread? What we did is we've got, Floor and Decor has new stair treads to go with the LVP vinyl plank flooring, but it's new. So we got the stair tread, we've measured it with stairs. We're 100% accurate that these stair treads will fit these stairs, so there'll be no surprises. And we are going to do stair treads in the match to the floor with risers to match to the floor. And we are going to get that done on Tuesday and Wednesday. And we should be done with this job within 2 weeks, completely done. So are you pleased with the pace of the project and the quality of the trim?
Yes, trim is awesome. I love it. It's very decorative, nicely done, and the pace is actually going faster than I thought it would be. And so everything has been hitting its mark, and I'm very, very pleased.
Excellent. Thank you.